The April Ipsy Glam Bag. Super excited that it came early this month. Open it up. Oh, that's interesting. So this is what the bag looks like. It actually matches like the purple that I put in my eyes, sort of. I really didn't have a chance to like sneak peek a lot. So look at this here. It's like of wood. Never seen that before. Not like my favorite bag, but it's cute. Always like really good quality. Let's see what we got. Hopefully it's good. Last two bags were very good if you watched my other Ipsy unbaggings, but oh. So they always give you a card, the theme for the month, and this is Full Bloom. That's grow your beauty skills. We open it up, it tells you what we get and what the actual size retails for. So the first item we have here, oh, it's stuck on something. The Berry and Juice 100% vegan lip gel. Lip gel. Brand is called Seraphine Botanicals. I don't think I have ever received anything from them. Just because it's getting warmer out doesn't mean your lips need less TLC. If they're feeling dry, reach for this healthy and hydrating lip gel. It's packed with shea butter and vitamins A and E to prevent them from drying, cracking, and flaking. Full size retails for $19. The color is Rose Currant. That looks cute. I'll do a swatch. The packaging is alright. It feels nice and heavy. Let's smell this. Oh my god. Oh my god. That smells delicious. It actually reminds me of something. I don't know if it's something that I've eaten before. Maybe those like really old school like lip glosses. You know which ones I'm talking about? Swatch. I almost forgot. Alright, it looks like a nice light color, berry-ish. Bit of sparkle going on there. Not mad about the first product. Next we have Gold Fatten MD Hands to Heart Anti-Aging and Brightening Hand Treatment. You know, this is a perfect time to like send hand treatments, hand lotions, hand this, because so many of us are like washing our hands non-stop that they're really dry and cracking and all that. So finally, a multitasking cream that makes dry, dull hands a distant memory for good. This potent formula soaks in fast. That means no stickiness or greasiness. That's a plus. And treats hands to a dose of hydrating hyaluronic acid and skin brightening retinol. The size version of this product is $38. I have received several things from this brand before from Ipsy and I really enjoy them. This one you're getting 0.68 ounces. It's not bad. It's a really nice size. And it does come sealed. I want to see what it feels like. I could also always use some cream. Let's see if it's really not sticky. Okay. It doesn't really smell like much. It's a really light scent. It's good. It feels good and I love anything anti-aging. Next thing we have here is Nude and Shimmer Contour Eyeshadow. Okay. Oh. Of course, why wouldn't I drop? You know, without my nails, I drop stuff all the time. I don't know why. Araceli Beauty, sorry if that's not how you say it. Nude and Shimmer Contour Eyeshadow Palette. The full size retails for $19.95. Travel size palette has 4 silky smooth shades, range from warm nude to metallic rose gold. Each is made from rice-based ingredients as well as oils, vitamins, essential fatty acids that are healthy for your skin. Wear them alone or together. They last all day without creasing or fading. Right? Never heard of this brand. The packaging feels alright, not like super glam. It actually feels like nothing. Like, this is the Nude, Shimmer, and Contour palette. Glad that it has a matte, not just like all shimmers. While we do some swatches and see. It's the bit here. It looks really light. Oh, that's pretty cool. Swatch that. Oh, okay. I just love shimmers. They're so beautiful. So look at that. I definitely love this one. I love rose shades, pinky shades. I have so many tutorials on pinky shades. Cute. Look at that. You love like neutrals. I definitely like to mix it up, not just neutrals. I think it washes me out. But it's a nice palette to have, especially like on the go, and it's not heavy at all. I say this is really good for traveling. Next item we have is a brush. I love getting brushes. Can't have enough. This one is from the brand Araceli. Again, I still don't know Araceli, never heard of Araceli. I did receive an eyeliner from this brand before, and I was obsessed with it. I really like it. So it was a liquid liner if you check my previous Ipsy bags. But this is Araceli Beauty Grande blending brush. The only thing you need to blend your eyeshadow like a pro. This dome shaped, okay, let's take it out of the packaging and see. It does say it's made in China. Like my Luxie brushes or anything. I'm obsessed with those. Are you with the Luxie brushes? Love that. Dome shaped brush. It has a tapered tip that makes it easy to apply, blend, and build. Not only are the bristles made of ultra soft nanosynthetic fibers, they're 100% cruelty free and vegan too. And the full size, I believe this is the full size, is $14. You're definitely getting your money's worth here. I would use this like how I would use the MAC 217 brush, like that. Just the perfect amount of like fluffiness, but it's dense, like it'll still pack on the color but blend really well. Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush in Prima Donna. Ooh, a blush. That's cool. Cruelty free, no matter what, vegan and gluten free. Nothing feels more spring than a flush of pink color. I like peaches, but okay, we can do pink too. This buildable blush formula goes from subtle to bold with ease, depending on your mood. Plus, it's made with plant-based ingredients. It's so healthy for your skin. And it's cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, and paraben-free. And this full size retails for $8. I do believe I've received something from this brand before. I like that it's talc-free. Okay, another white little packaging. Heavy at all. A bit bulky, but okay, we get a mirror. I'm hoping that is a film it comes with because that looks really blurry. Well, this is the color you get. We swatch that. Oh, it feels really buttery. Let's do the swatch here. Oh, look. Isn't that gorgeous? Probably not the best place to do a swatch, but that looks like a really nice pick. I just love how this formula feels. It feels really buttery. Yeah, that's the best way I could describe it. You know what you got below. Did you get any of the same items that I got? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.